Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought new updates regarding PhD admission in NIT Jamshedpur. This is a link they have given online.nitjsr.ac.in/PhD 2022. You will click on that, then you will be redirected to admission page. These are the departments you can apply. Civil engineering. These are the departments: engineering, concrete technology, earthquake engineering, geotech engineering, vibration and stability analysis, foundation engineering, ground improvement, reinforcement, transportation engineering, water resources engineering, open channel hydraulics and groundwater hydrology. Second department, computer science and engineering. You can select supply chain management, data mining, computational complexity, software engineering, soft computing, system reliability modeling and analysis, software reliability, machine learning, pattern recognition, data analysis, internet of things and network. Then security image processing, computer network, database analysis, machine learning and pattern recognition. Third, next department, electrical engineering. Areas are control system, power electronics, power system production, renewable energy system, electrical mines and machines and drives. Next department, electronics and communication engineering. You can select anyone: communication system, computer networking, MEMS, microelectronics and VLSI design, circuit and devices, signals and system, image processing, microwave, antenna and RF engineering, embedded system and IoT, soft computing, industrial electronics and drives, artificial intelligence, nanotech, micro and nano sensor, underwater communication. Next department, mechanical engineering. First is machine design. You can select anyone: composite material, vibration and dynamics, failure and fracture mechanics, biomechanics, design and dynamic analysis of mechanical component, structural mechanics, robotics and automation, non-linear vibration, CAD/CAM, FEM, value engineering, TPM, TQM and SCM. Thermal engineering and heat transfer. In thermal engineering, you can select heat transfer, solar energy and other renewable energy system, ice engine, gas turbine, refrigeration and air conditioning, thermofluids, nanofluid, rheology, turbo machines, CFD and tribology. Next department, metallurgical and material engineering. You can select anyone: physical metallurgy, phase transformation, extractive metallurgy, surface engineering, biomaterial, rapid solidification, nanotech, powder metallurgy, then mineral beneficiation, functional material and high temperature ceramics, material ceramics, polymer and composites. Next department, production and industrial engineering. You can select anyone: manufacturing process, product design and development, CAD/CAM and robotics, industrial engineering and management, advanced material manufacturing system engineering, energy environmental, energy management and non-traditional manufacturing. Likewise, you can also apply for chemistry. In that you have option for organic chemistry, analytical chemistry, computational chemistry, physical chemistry. In physical chemistry, you can select surface chemistry and molecular spectroscopy. Then in organic chemistry, you can select organometallics, homogeneous and heterogeneous catalysis, environmental chemistry, waste disposal management, aerosols, contamination of water and atmospheric chemistry, material science, nanomaterial and alternative energy material, humanity, social science and management. You can select anyone. Then you can apply for maths, physics. These are the categories. First category, institute research scholar, full time. If you have GATE or NET qualified, then you can apply for that and you will award fellowship also. There are different number of vacancies in different departments. In chemistry 5, civil 9, computer science 6, immunity science 1, EC 7, EE 6, math 6, mechanical 11, metallurgy and material 4, production 6, physics 3, and total number of seats 64. All the reservation criteria will be followed here also as per Government of India norms. Next category is sponsored research scholar. If you are candidate under this category will receive financial support from AICTE under QIP schemes or from government institutes or organization under a study leave. Foreign students shall be sponsored by their government or awarded a scholarship by Government of India, ICCR or other such organization or agencies. Next category, self-finance research scholar. Anyone who have qualified UGC, CSIR, DST or JETS, they can apply here. Next category, self-finance research scholar part-time. Anyone employed in industry, R&D organization or institution, they can apply. They must have NOC from their employer, and candidate will have to produce candidate will produce a certificate that he will be permitted for attending classes and examination as and when required by the NIT Jamshedpur. Regular faculty members, regular staff members and sponsored project fellow of NIT Jamshedpur are eligible for this category. And last one, external registration program. Regular working professional or defense R&D listed reputed companies with at least 3 years of experience are eligible under this category, and they have to produce one NOC also. They have to minimum 30 days face-to-face interaction with the supervisor in one academic year. Provision of joint guidance from the parent organization can be permissible here. Eligibility for engineering, sciences, computer application, humanity, social science and management all have 60% criteria in your masters or 6.5 CGPA. For bachelors, if you have 80% marks or 8.5 CGPA, then you can apply. Selection procedure, it will be based on your academic qualification, written test and interview conducted by the departments. Reservation policy will be followed here. You have to apply online. You have to pay 1,000 rupees if you are open category students or OBC or EWS, and 500 for SC, ST or PWD candidate. Candidate who are employed and wish to do PhD must submit a sponsorship or NOC from the employer at the time of admission, without which admission will not be possible. These are the checklist. You have to upload that in application form, proof of payment, self-attested copy of 10th mark sheet or 12th mark sheet or certificate, degree certificate and mark sheet of all qualifying examination, self-attested copy of caste certificate. OBC candidate had self-attested copy of OBC certificate issued after 31st March 2021 only as per format given in Annexure 1 is accepted. In last page they have given list of publication if any, and self-attested copy of PWS certificate issued after 31st March. These are the important dates. Last date is 5th June. Information regarding shortlisting for entrance test will be done on 20th June. Date of written test and interview from 4th to 5th July. Announcement of results 11th July, and date of admission 21st to 22nd. Students may require resting one more day if the interview is not completed in scheduled date. These are the general instruction. Candidates should specify broad area of research in application form. They have given in upper matrix. We have to select from that. Candidates seeking admission are required to fill and upload their application form along with all required documents by 5th of June. Incomplete application form will be rejected. List of shortlisted candidates for interview will be uploaded on institute website. So we have to follow the institute website regularly. No separate interview letter or communication will be sent to individual. All candidates selected for admission will have to require the deposit institute fee. Again they have given this online application. You can click on that. This is the address of correspondence. This is the OBC format. You can make that and make that from where you have to make this OBC certificate to be produced by OBC applying for admission to Central Education Institution under Government of India for form of OBC certificate, and this will be made from dated district magistrate or competent authority, means DM level they can required. They have requirement of that. So that's all about today's update. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed till now or visiting my channel first time. Share it with your friends. Thank you.